If you could read just one book with answers for life, wouldn't you want to know about it? Here's why the Bible matters so much. First, the Bible is unique. It's the only book that claims to be God's message to all of humanity. It's not just advice or stories, it's God reaching out, showing us who He is and what matters most. Second, the Bible reveals God's plan to save us. From beginning to end, it tells the story of how God loves people and wants to rescue us from brokenness. Every chapter points to His promise to heal and restore. And third, the Bible gives us the answer we need: Jesus Christ. It tells us that Jesus is the only way to truly know God the Father. Through His life, death, and resurrection, He opened the door for everyone to have a relationship with God. So if you're searching for hope, purpose, or truth, the Bible is where you'll find it. Why not open it up and see for yourself?